make a selection, then add a color into the selected part. I will take another shape. Let's use the paint. I will make another shape here. It's a paint here. We are using into it. We will explore the more options. Try to add a paint. Still I will use another shade. So there is a black color. I will try to make the changes. So that's the paint.